guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the brand new F3S and F6S, which are absolutely my favorite. These two are low profile and they are the upgraded version from the Firefly 3 and Firefly 6. As you can see, there is no much difference in the dimensions from the F3 and F6. But we now utilize these two rows of LEDs for both of the two lights for the optimized light output. And inside the box you'll find a 3M adhesive so you can directly attach to any surface you want. Also, we offer you a frosted black bezel, so with two screws and you can mount it. That's simple. The two light heads are both SAE, California Title 13, R65 and R10 certified. For the F3S, we can do single or split colors with 4 core wire. And for the F6S, we can do single split or dual color modules. 6 LEDs for the F3S and 12 LEDs for the F6S. And now I'm gonna show you how they work. So first we'll go with the F3S. On my hand it's the red and blue model, and I would just change a few flash patterns so for you to look it through. "19 flash patterns for the F3S, so either single or split models. Then it's the F6S. We have, let's see, 6 wires for the dual color model, and their flash patterns will be like split. Also, we have a green wire for the 50% power. It's quite obvious. And also you can use the yellow wires to change the flash patterns. 19 flash patterns for the single or split color model and 12 for the dual color model. Sometimes if you miss the flash pattern you want, you can attach the yellow wire to the positive pole of the power for 5 seconds to retrieve to the factory set. There you go. So that's the two beautiful light head, the two low profile light head, F3S and F6S. You can send us a quote or an email or a comment to us, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. One thing to add, the difference between the single color and the dual color model of the F6S. 5 wires for the single or split color and 6 wires for the dual color. But both of them, they feature 12 LEDs. As you can see, the single color model, all the LEDs, they can flash together. For the dual color model, the two lights, they are controlled by separate wires. So they can flash either in this way, the red, or blue. If you want them to flash together, they will flash like in cross, not all together. There we go. So that's the difference, the slight difference between the two models of the X6S.